Show cause notice. If you receive any email subjected that show cause notice, you have to respond immediately to your HR. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is show cause notice, when you will receive the show cause notice, what is the reason for show cause notice, who will send to you, if you don't respond for show cause notice or show cause notice email, what will be the scenario, how this will impact in your career. Okay. And I don't want to take much time, so I will give you one-line definition for show cause notice. Especially for freshers and experience, if you misconduct something, definitely your organization HR will send you show cause notice to you. So they will provide, this is the complaint raised from your team members or from your employer side or from your background verification team side. So this is the issue raised from the respective team. What is the justification from your side to address this problem? Okay. So please understand, if your employer identified something wrong or something misconduct from your side, immediately they will not fire you. Okay. They will take some time. They will give you opportunity to give the justification from your side. You must give proper business justifications as soon as possible. Okay. And why? What are all reason behind the show cause notice? Why HR people sending the show cause? Okay. So basic reasons are, if you take long leave without informing to your reporting manager, definitely they will send you email. Or if you take any unauthorized leaves without applying in the respective organization leave system, definitely they will send you show cause notice. Okay. This is common reason. Usually people try to abscond from the organization. At the time they will send you some notice to you. Generally it is called show cause notice. Apart from that, apart from your unauthorized leave, if you come to organization with alcohol content, or if you misconduct something, if you misbehave in the ODC, if you do any activity against with your organization guidelines and rules, definitely they will send you show cause notice. And most of the cases I have been receiving from our subscribers, the major reasons are taking long leave without informing to your HR and submitting misconduct documents. Okay. If your background verification team identified something, especially in your PF account, in your experience document, if they required any additional documents, or if you submit any insufficient documents, at the time they also send you show cause notice. So once you receive the show cause notice, you need to read the email multiple times and understand what is the ask in the email. Okay. And some of the cases, most of the followers, they submitted excellent documents. There is no deficiency in the documents. However, some cases there might be a chance they submitted some wrong documents, because of which also wrong informations, because of which also there might be a chance they will receive show cause notice. Okay. At the time, give the justification immediately along with proper evidence and attach the evidence and send the mail immediately to them and highlight your points clearly, one by one, point 1, point 2, point 3, like that. Of course, if you submitted any misconduct documents, insufficient documents, absolutely the HR people will have rights to fire you immediately. Okay. So hope you got the clear picture. So HR people will send you the show cause notice. If you misconduct something, definitely they will send you show cause notice. If you don't respond for your show cause notice, they will fire you immediately. Okay. If you face any background verification related problems, welcome to connect with me. So my email ID and UPI ID is available in this video description. You can contact me immediately. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a wonderful day. Take care.